Hello and welcome. You are tuned in to Wild Country Daily Updates. And today I have a daily update for you guys. This is from PBS News. Crews battle multiple wildfires in the Carolinas amid gusty winds and dry conditions. Crews battled wildfires in North and South Carolina on Sunday amid dry conditions and gusty winds, and evacuations were ordered in some areas. The National Weather Service warned increased fire danger in the region due to a combination of critically dry fuels and very low relative humidity. Climate change made conditions that fed California In South Carolina, Governor Henry McMaster declared a state of emergency on Sunday to support the wildfire response effort, and a statewide burning ban remained in effect. Crews worked to contain a fire in the Carolina forest area west of the coastal resort city of Myrtle Beach, where residents were ordered to evacuate several neighborhoods, according to Horry County Fire Rescue. The South Carolina Forestry Commission estimated Sunday afternoon that the blaze was burning about 1.9 square miles, 4.9 square kilometers, with 0% containment. No structures had succumbed to the blaze, and no injuries had been reported as of Sunday morning, officials said, which is good news. The 410 personnel involved in the effort were expected to remain until the fire was contained, county fire officials said. Evacuations were expected to remain in place Sunday, and officials warned residents in the Carolina forest area to be prepared with go bags and emergency plans if more evacuations were called in their neighborhoods. In North Carolina, the U.S. Forest Service said fire crews were working to contain multiple wildfires burning on more than 400 acres in 4 forests across the state on Sunday. The largest, about 300 acres, was at Uwharrie, something like that. I don't know.
Uwharrie
National Forest, about 50 miles east of Charlotte. The small southwestern town of Tyrone in Polk County, North Carolina, urged some residents to evacuate Saturday as a fire spread rapidly there. On Sunday, officials said those evacuations remained in effect. That fire was burning about 400 acres on Sunday afternoon with 0% containment, according to the Polk County Emergency Management Fire Marshal's Office. The North Carolina Forest Service was conducting helicopter water drops and back burning operations on the ground, and area residents should expect a lot of smoke during those operations, officials said. Officials have not said what caused any of the fires. So, let your thoughts down in the comment section. Do you think they were, let your thoughts in the comment section below what you think of this article here. I pray they get it under control, if not already. And I'm glad that no homes or no lives were lost, unlike California. So yeah, just everybody stay alert, stay prepped, have go bags, be prepared. That's my thoughts. And it doesn't, not just during the summer, during all months, during winter, summer, spring, because we got rain, hurricanes, we got winter, we got fires. Always stay prepared, always stay prepped, and always have a go bag and extra things in the car or extra things with you. That way, if you have to evacuate, you got things with you. Until next one, peace out.